How to get points fast in Microsoft Rewards. Today I'm going to show the legit ways how. Microsoft Rewards is a free program that lets you earn points by doing simple online activities using your Microsoft account. These points can be exchanged for gift cards, subscriptions, or even game passes. The good thing is you don't have to spend money to earn, just a bit of time and consistency. The first and fastest way to earn points is by using Microsoft Bing as your default search engine. Every time you search using Bing, you earn points up to a certain limit per day. If you're using a desktop browser, you can earn up to 150 points daily. And if you also search through your mobile device, that adds another set of points. To make things easier, set Bing as your homepage and sign in with your Microsoft account so every search is tracked automatically. Next, visit the Microsoft Rewards dashboard daily. This is where you'll find daily sets, quizzes, and polls that give you quick points for simple tasks like answering trivia questions or clicking on short surveys. Completing a daily set consistently for multiple days can earn you streak bonuses, meaning your points will increase the longer you stay active. You can also find weekly and monthly challenges that give large bonuses for reaching certain milestones, like earning 500 points in a week. Another legitimate way to rack up points quickly is by using Microsoft Edge. When you browse the web through Edge while logged into your Microsoft account, you earn extra points just for browsing. It's an easy bonus, especially if you already spend time online reading or working. In addition, check the Earn tab in your rewards dashboard. Microsoft often runs special promotions or limited time offers that can give you hundreds of points for trying out a new feature, app, or service. If you're a gamer, connect your Xbox account to Microsoft Rewards. You can earn points by playing select games, unlocking achievements, or completing Game Pass quests if you're subscribed. Some quests reward you for simply launching a specific game or earning a certain number of achievements within the month. It's one of the fastest ways to earn if you already spend time gaming. You can also earn points by shopping in the Microsoft Store. Every dollar you spend on games, apps, or devices earns you points. While this isn't free, it's a great way to get rewards back for purchases you'd make anyway. Make sure you're logged into your account before checking out to ensure the points are credited. To maximize your daily earnings, combine all these methods. Do your Bing searches on both desktop and mobile, complete the daily quizzes, browse with Edge, and check for bonus offers. Consistency is the key. Even small daily actions add up quickly. Finally, when you've earned enough, redeem your points for rewards through the Redeem section. You can exchange them for Xbox gift cards, Microsoft Store credit, or even donation options if you prefer giving back. The more active you are, the faster you'll see results. So, if you want to boost your Microsoft Rewards balance fast, focus on your daily sets, use Bing and Edge regularly, and take advantage of limited time bonuses. It's 100% legitimate and surprisingly easy once you build it into your daily routine.